Hi guys, welcome back to TutorialRays, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Python into your local machine. In most of the machines, Python comes pre-installed. So first you check whether Python is installed into your computer or not. If it is not installed into your computer, then I will provide you a link. You go to that link and download the software from there. It is free, and then you can install into your local machine. So to check whether the Python is installed into your computer or not, so simply type Python in command prompt or terminal in Linux and Macintosh. So in case of my machine, when I typed Python, then it is displaying 3.7.4 because I have already installed the Python into my local machine. So in case it is not installed, so let me show you the practical example. So open CMD or command prompt, and then I'm typing here Python. Python. Then you can see it is displaying that the version of Python 3.744 is installed into my computer. In case it doesn't display into your computer, then I'm going to show you that how you can install the Python into your local machine. So to exit, you need to write here exit and then parentheses, and so now I've exited. Now let's go to browser and download Python from internet. So let me go here and then download Python. Now click here on download. Now it started to download .exe file. So in case you have Macintosh or Linux or other such platform, in that case you can click here and you can download that version. So since it's my Windows machine, that's why I'm downloading this, but I've already downloaded and installed, but I'm just showing you that how you can download from here and also how you can install. It's very easy. So once it's downloaded, then just double click on this. So install now. Now the setup is successful. So click on this close button, and again now let's get back to command prompt or CMD, and then try to write here Python. So if it's displaying like this, that means your Python is now installed. So that's it, the installation section of Python, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.